Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to view your recycle bin on your Android phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To view the recycle bin, first head to the apps page. You should be able to get here by swiping up on the home screen. On here, use the search box to search for either Files or My Files. Open the app called one of these and firstly look for the recycle bin option on here. If you don't see it, tap on the 3 lines icon in the top left and then choose bin or trash, and you should now be in it and you can manage the files. Some apps may have their own recycle bin or trash, such as the Google Photos app, so check in there as well if you're wanting to view or recover deleted photos. If you still can't find the recycle bin, I'd recommend researching the method for your exact device, as there's a chance it doesn't have a recycle bin option or it's hidden somewhere else. That's how to view your recycle bin on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.